Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here, and before you buy an alternator for your Peugeot 208 you need to watch this, so let's get to it. So, annoying ticking sound in the Peugeot, doesn't start. If that sounds familiar, then you may be thinking that it's a drawdown or potentially an alternator fault, but it's not the alternator, it is a software upgrade. But I'm going to show you how you can get home, okay? So firstly, to show you that I'm not talking bubble, we're going to connect the multimeter up onto voltage, yeah? And connect this up, and it should read over 14 volts. However, with the vehicle running, it's only at 12. You're going to disconnect this by pushing in this and then pulling it out. Now that is disconnected, this should read over 14 volts, saying it's charging. There we go. It's all because that is disconnected down there. This is because it's a smart alternator. And essentially what you need to do is take it to Peugeot. There is a recall on this, so you should get it for free. If they try to charge you 75 quid, they're lying. And then get the fault fixed. It's a software fault only, and you can plug that back in.